What's up, everybody? It's me again. We are back for another collectible unboxing. It's been a minute since I've done a unboxing video, but we are back at it. This time we're unboxing a Gremlins figure. Gonna get in here. Cut my arm off just then. Could have been bad. Alright. Here we have that guy, that Stripe. He's the baddest of the bad. I may end up putting him back in the box, but you gotta take it out. Make sure it's all good quality, taken care of. All that sort of stuff. How do I open you, sir? Give a look-see over here with the HD camera. Ooh, dropping stuff. There's that guy. I don't remember him having a skateboard. Did he have a skateboard? Maybe when Billy's after him in the department store. That's where he gets this chainsaw. He's trouble. We did it. He's gonna look right at home, right over there. That's my horror corner. Got the Negan bat, some Freddy's and Jason's and stuff. Alright, that's gonna do it. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for checking this out. I super appreciate you. If you like it, you want to see anything else I do, click the thumbnails that pop up in a little bit. Take you over to see some of the other stuff I do. Like, share, and subscribe. Come back and join me next time. Until then, we'll catch you later.